Formulation stage. The formulation stage refers to the process of selecting appropriate words and sentence structures to produce meaningful speech. It involves converting abstract concepts into linguistic expressions using relevant lexical and grammatical properties. This stage relies heavily on syntactical knowledge to construct sentences that convey the indeed meaningful clearly. Syntactical knowledge. Syntactical knowledge refers to a speaker's ability to arrange words and grammatical structures in a way that conveys meaning. It involves understanding how to combine words or lexical properties with grammatical rules that form sentences that represent concepts in communication. Relationship between formulation stage and syntactical knowledge. The formulation stage relies on syntactical knowledge to organize words into a coherent sentence. Without a good understanding of syntax, it will be difficult to transform abstract ideas into structured and meaningful sentences during the formulation stage. Syntactical knowledge is essential for effective formulation because it ensures that the sentence created follow the rules of grammar and word order. The difference among lemma, lexeme, word, vocabulary, and entry. First, lemma. Lemma is the base form of a word, which links the meaning of concept with its lexical representation. It is chosen to represent ideas in speech or writing. And the second, lexeme. Lexeme refers to the specific form of a word that is used to express a concept. It represents the grammatical realization of a lemma. The third, word. A word is a single distinct unit of language that conveys meaning and can be spoken or written. It is a broader term that may include both lemmas and lexeme. Next, vocabulary. Vocabulary is the set of words known and used within a language or by an individual. It includes all the lemmas and lexemes and other forms used for communication. And the last, entry. An entry refers to a listing in a dictionary or other lexicographical research that includes information about a word, such as its meaning, pronunciation, and grammatical features. Grammatical encoding in the formulation stage. Grammatical encoding is the process where selected lexemes are assembled into grammatically coherent sentences during the formulation stage. This involves functional processing or assigning roles to lexemes such as subject and object, and positional processing as applying the correct grammatical rules like tense and agreement. For example, if a child selects the lexemes man, wash, and car, grammatical encoding will determine the structure of the sentence, such as the man washes the car for active voice, or the car is washed by the man for passive voice, depending on the roles assigned to each lexemes. The articulation stage is the final step in language production. It involves the cycle process of pronouncing the words and sentence from during the formulation stage. This stage transforms abstract linguistic representation into actual speech sounds that are clear and understandable. Phonological knowledge. Phonological knowledge is the understanding of how sounds are produced, combined, and arranged in a language. It includes the rules governing sound patterns, or phonological rules, which help a speaker articulate words in a way that listener can understand. Relationship between articulation stage and phonological knowledge. The articulation stage relies on phonological knowledge to produce speech sounds correctly. Phonological knowledge guides the speaker in selecting the appropriate sounds and organizing them according to the rules of language. ensuring that the speech is clear and meaningful. In other words, phonological knowledge provides the necessary sound patterns for articulation. A phonological rule is a guideline that explains how sounds interact in a language. It determines how sounds change in different contexts to maintain well-formedness and intelligibility in speech. The characteristic of phonological. First, intuitive. Speakers instinctively recognize well-formed sounds or combinations in their language. The second, untaught and unconscious. Phonological rules are generally acquired naturally through interaction and without explicit teaching. And the third, language specificity. These rules vary from one language to another, making each language unique in its sound patterns. And the last, productivity phonological rules apply to new words or sound combinations in the language, even if they have not been encountered before. Phonological encoding is the process of converting abstract word forms as lexemes into sound representation. During this process, the speaker selects the appropriate sounds as phonemes and organize them into a sequence that can be articulated as speech. Phonological encoding ensures that the abstract linguistic representations of a word is transformed into actual speech. Process of language production. First, conceptualization stage. The speaker forms an idea or abstract concept that they wish to communicate. The second, formulation stage. The speaker selects appropriate words as lemmas and lexemes and organize them using syntactical rules to construct grammatically correct sentence. And the third, grammatical encoding. This involves assigning grammatical rules to the words and applying the necessary grammatical rules. And the fourth, phonological encoding. The speakers convert the abstract linguistic representation into sound sequence. And the last, articulation stage. Finally, the speaker cyclically produces the speech sounds, turning the formulated message into audible speech.